Oh, that's
Yes.
So you went over to the neighbor's house
Right.
with a bat.
Yes.
Go ahead.
I was carrying it for my protection.
What started as a neighborhood argument quickly turned into complete chaos. A woman showed up carrying a bat, honking her horn and demanding people move out of the way. Seconds later, a loud thump was heard, and a man was lying on the ground claiming he'd been hit by the car. But the driver insisted it was all fake and that he threw himself into the vehicle on purpose.
David House, Judy that's here, and a couple other people were in the street area. So I stopped and honked my horn, let them know I was there for them to move out my way.
Okay, so you honked your horn.
Yes, ma'am, and I stayed still.
Revving the engine.
Okay? Then, as I proceeded, as they moved, the only one that stayed in the way would have been David House, but he was at the end of his trailer right here. Okay, well, when I turned in, I felt something thump. And all of a sudden, I heard somebody holler, "Oh, she hit me, she hit me." And I turned around and looked, and here's David House on the ground hollering that I hit him with my car. No way did I hit that gentleman with my car, Your Honor.
Okay.
Liar. He is a liar.
Who just said that?
Judy did.
I was there,
Just
Your
a
Honor.
second. If I looked like I needed your help, I would ask for it.
I understand, Miss Judy.
Great. Don't shout out again.
I'm sorry, Your
Do you
Honor.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I would like to see pictures of the damage.
In court, every witness had a different version of the story. One side claimed the car drove straight onto the lawn and almost hit an elderly woman. The other side said the victim intentionally bumped into the car to cause drama. As the shouting got louder, Judge Judy stepped in and shut the courtroom down with one powerful question.
You have a police report?
No, ma'am, but I do have the officer that was there.
I just asked you if you have a
No,
police
ma'am.
report.
They didn't give us no reports.
Were you present that day?
I was in the vehicle, yes, ma'am.
You were in the car.
Yes, ma'am.
Were you present that day? You were outside.
She was
Good. First-
aiming for me. He pulled me out of the way. She would have hit me. I was in the yard.
I just asked you a simple question. I said, were you there that day?
Yes, ma'am.
You were in the car.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me your name.
James Bevel.
Tell me what you saw.
We was coming through like Miss Hall said, and we got up to about it right where the dumpster at, and they was standing out in the middle of the road, so she did stop. She blew the horn and gave him a chance to get out of the way. And him and the lady over here, they was still by the trailer. So when Miss Hall came in, she had to make her little turn, and she wasn't touching no grass. She pulled into the yard, and that's when Mr. House was standing there, and he bumped the car on purpose.
Okay, stand up. Your last name is?
Judith Senemo is my full name, Your Honor.
Okay. You're standing outside. She comes up. Do you hear a horn blow?
I didn't hear a horn blow.
Okay. And had you ever had any problem with Miss Hall? in
I
the
don't
past?
even live there.
So you
No.
didn't live there. Now I'd like you to tell me what you observed on the 13th of January.
We were standing in the front lawn on the grass. All of a sudden,
Tensions exploded inside the courtroom as accusations started flying everywhere. Witnesses argued over whether the horn was blown, whether the car touched the grass, and whether the driver was aiming for someone on purpose. One woman claimed she was pushed out of the way just before impact. But Judge Judy wasn't buying the confusion. She wanted facts, not excuses.
round by Mr. House, she would have hit me. I'm 5'0" and I'm 65 years old.
Just a second. So Mr. House pushes you
Out of the
out
way.
of the way.
The next thing I know, I hear that boom, and David is on the ground.